In this video, I will show you how to use the Temu affiliate program and how to make money on Pinterest using it. Every tool that we are going to use in this video will be totally free and won't require any high-level skill. You just need to follow along and repeat the process as much as you possibly can. So let's not waste any more time and dive into the video. To begin, you'll need to create a Temu account. If you haven't already, you can do so by following the link provided in the description. Once your account is set up, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and find affiliate under company info. So click on this affiliate and influencer program and click on this right here. Now just sign into your account and we are ready to go. Upon reaching this section, you'll discover that for every new app user you refer to, you earn up to 20% commission on orders placed within 24 hours of their app download, along with a $5 download reward. This reward is exceptionally generous as $5 per download is among the highest in affiliate offers. Essentially, for each referral's initial app download, you'll receive $5. Furthermore, for any orders they place within the first 24 hours, you'll earn up to 20% commission. Additionally, individuals who sign up using your link will receive a $100 coupon bundle, and by using your code, will enjoy a 30% discount. This arrangement benefits both you and those who sign up via your link and utilize your code. First, we'll navigate to the Share Items to Earn section and click on Pick and Share. Here you'll find a variety of products. While you can search for products here, I prefer accessing the best sellers by clicking on best sellers in the top left corner. From there, you can filter by category and select the best sellers within a specific time frame, such as the last 30 days, ensuring these products are still popular. You'll discover trending products that are currently in high demand. Choose a product you'd like to promote. You can even promote multiple products, and I'll guide you through this process as well. For instance, let's say I want to promote this particular product, rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner for home. Simply open the product page where you'll find images and often a video. We'll focus on selecting a visually appealing lifestyle video rather than a plain product image against a white background. The video displayed here would be ideal for our promotion strategy, so we are going to download this. Right click on the video, click on Save Video As, and download this to your computer. Now that you've downloaded a video of a product, we need to acquire our affiliate link to promote it. Unfortunately, with Temu, updating affiliate links for specific products is impossible. Only an affiliate link for the Temu app itself can be generated, but we can copy an item ID for this item and paste it in our description. This way, whoever clicks on our affiliate link can paste this item ID in the search tab and find that product easily. So you can find item ID by hovering your mouse on this right here and click on copy. Next, navigate to Pinterest, as this is the platform we'll utilize for promotion. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on sign up in the top right corner. If you already have an account, click on login as I'll do now. And don't forget to use business account, not personal. Once you're logged in into your Pinterest account, we'll use the search bar to find the relevant content. So click on this and we can go back to the Temu app, copy name of our product, go back to Pinterest and paste it right here. You'll notice a multitude of similar products display. As we hover over these pins, you'll see that they all lead to actual product links, like this one. This one leads to Amazon.com. These individuals are engaging in affiliate marketing just like what we are about to do. For instance, this person is involved in Amazon affiliate marketing, and the images are kind of similar to what we found earlier. This strategy aligns perfectly with Pinterest platform and users' behavior, making it an ideal avenue for our promotion. Now let's proceed with creating a pin. To do this, click on this tab here and click on create a pin. Next, we'll upload the video we previously downloaded. So click here and choose the video we just downloaded. For the title, we can use something from Temu, such as rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner. Then we'll craft a description detailing a bit about the product, emphasizing that it's available for purchase on Temu at a highly affordable price. Now I already have prepared a small cheat sheet that you can use. So I got this description for the Temu itself, so you can go back to Temu, click on share to earn, and you'll find this description right here. We can copy this, and I also added Temu find rechargeable handheld vacuum cleaner, and I wrote include item code, so we can go back to our item and copy our item ID and paste it right here. So now let's just copy our whole description, go back to Pinterest and paste it right here. So whenever someone clicks on our pin, we'll see this product, we'll see our affiliate links, and also we'll see our item ID, so we can easily find this product, this exact product on Temu. In this case, we'll skip tags, but you can also add tags, and we'll add our destination link, which is our affiliate link. So just copy this from our description and paste it right here. We can also create a board and name it, for example, household cleaning. Click on create and publish our pin. So now we have created a pin just like the ones we saw before. So it's important to take an aesthetic video, or you can also use images, of course, from Temu, because that always does good on Pinterest. For example, if you can find a picture like this one right here, where you can see before and after cleaning, that will always do great. Now the best thing about this strategy is that you can do this an unlimited amount of times, because there are so many products on Temu and there are so many search phrases on Pinterest. You can also check trending keywords on trends.pinterest.com and to see the interest over time. So for example, we are planning to promote a shower curtains. So let's type in shower curtain. You can click on this. Also, you can see a small graph on the right side. And as you can see, this keyword is actually doing pretty good throughout the whole year. So it might be a good niche. But it's not only the shower or vacuum cleaners. It was just what I chose this time, but you can also try searching for something else. For example, let's type in desk, and you get a bunch of keywords such as desktop wallpaper, desk organization, desk ideas, desk setup, and desk decor, and many more. So we can just go to Pinterest and type in desk plants, click on enter, and you can get an idea what other people are promoting and what are the images. So we can go back to Temu and type in desk plant. So as before, we need to find a good looking image and an aesthetic image that would attract a Pinterest user to click on our pin and even order this particular product through our affiliate link. So in this case, if our keyword is desk plant, we want to find a plant that is on desk. So this would be a great example. This one is a really good looking image. So once you find your next product, just rinse and repeat this process as many times as possible. And as you can see, most of these people are, again, just adding links to Amazon.com and to other places. And they're making money through these pins. So when people find your pin, they download the app, and there's a huge possibility that they'll order something. In this case, you'll get a download reward and a commission. So it's a great strategy to do. So just create a bunch of pins similar to what they did before. Figure out which products perform the best for you, so you can see which ones get the most views on Pinterest and focus more on those. This is it. That was the whole secret. Simple but effective way to start making your first commissions with Pinterest affiliate marketing using Temu, which is still kind of a new platform, so there are huge opportunities and low competition. Let me know if you heard about the Temu affiliate program, leave a like and subscribe for future content. See you in the next one.